Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor Pad 9, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device fast. First thing you need to do is to check your storage. Open settings and open storage. If you used over the 70% of your storage, it means that you need to free up your device. So 70%, it's somewhere here, and when you will fill up about 70%, your device will start slowing down, and it's a very good idea to clean up the storage in this situation. Okay, and the second aspect you can do is to open the battery and enable performance mode. In this mode, your device will live maybe not too long like in normal mode from one charging, but in this mode your device will work really faster. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.